今日 means today. 器用 means dexterous, skillful. 今日の仕事 today's work. 器用な仕事 a dexterous work, a skillful work. 今日器用な人に会った。今日器用な人に会った。ねえねえねえ、トムの彼女ってどんな人？はい、私の彼女は今日です。今日彼女に会うの？ No, she's very good at crafting. She's really skillful. あ、器用。それは今日じゃなくて器用。器用。器用です。Don't worry about it too much. This is just an example of the Japanese speech accent. Good luck with your studies.